Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning Hebrew through sentences. This method not only helps you expand your vocabulary, but also gives you a deeper understanding of the language structure, just like how children naturally learn to speak. So, without further ado, let's begin. To say, I love learning Hebrew, as a male, say, אני אוהב ללמוד עברית. אני, I, אוהב, love, singular male, ללמוד, to learn, עברית, Hebrew. And as a female, say, אני אוהבת ללמוד עברית. To say, the weather is wonderful today, say, מזג האוויר נפלא היום. מזג האוויר, the weather, נפלא, wonderful, singular male, היום, today. To ask, do you have a pen? When speaking to a male, say, יש לך את. יש, is there, לך, to you, singular male, את, a pen. And when speaking to a female, say, יש לך את. To say, I want to buy an apple, as a male, say, אני רוצה לקנות תפוח. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular male, לקנות, to buy, תפוח, an apple. And as a female, say, אני רוצה לקנות תפוח. To ask, where is the restaurant? Say, איפה המסעדה? איפה, where is, המסעדה, the restaurant. To say, I'll eat breakfast at work. Say, אני אוכל ארוחת בוקר בעבודה. אני, I, אוכל, will eat, ארוחת בוקר, breakfast, בעבודה, at work. To say, I have a male cat, say, יש לי חתול. יש, there is, לי, to me, חתול, a male cat. To say, I have a female cat, say, יש לי חתולה. To say, I have a male dog, say, יש לי כלב. יש, there is, לי, to me, כלב, a male dog. And to say, I have a female dog, say, יש לי כלבה. To ask, can you help me? When speaking to a male, say, אתה יכול לעזור לי? אתה, you, singular male, יכול, can, singular male, לעזור, to help, לי, to me. What I actually said is, you can help me, but what would make it into a question is the way you say it. Instead of, אתה יכול לעזור לי, say, אתה יכול לעזור לי? Now, to say, can you help me, when speaking to a female, say, את יכולה לעזור לי. את, you, singular female, יכולה, כן, singular female, לעזור, to help, לי, to me. To say, let's go to a restaurant. When speaking to a male, say, בוא נלך למסעדה. בוא, come, singular male, נלך, will go, למסעדה, to a restaurant. And when speaking to a female, say, בואי נלך למסעדה. To say, I need to go to sleep. As a male, say, אני צריך ללכת לישון. אני, I, צריך, need, singular male, ללכת, to go, לישון, to sleep. And as a female, say, אני צריכה ללכת לישון. אני, I, צריכה, need, singular female, ללכת, to go, לישון, to sleep. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.